Hello everyone, this is Tuesday, the 31st of March 2026, and I just had a thought, maybe I can edit daily segments on the day itself and post them on that day to just get more videos out. So you can see how my little game is progressing, and then at the same time I can still jam-pack an episode on the weekend for YouTube. Oh, don't freeze already. This is my little top-down adventure game. As you can see, you can run. But the timing is off and things don't quite register. See? All of a sudden, we are flying where we should be walking, and that was fixed, but now I unfixed it. Frozen again. I just wanted to check on the progress I made yesterday. So I'll just place the player in Unreal Engine where we know it does here. All those little hiccups and freezes are also new. So this is an analog game. See, I only added the dots for myself, so it's easier for me to see what's happening. Okay, not good. So to jump off the little cliff, you know, that water wasn't there. This wasn't there. That wasn't happening yesterday. We are off to a great start. Inside. So what I thought I had was my new blueprint working here and hopping on and off cliffs. We are going to, just for the sake of it, try one more time. There you go. So maybe we can still jump on and off. Desire. Above the camera yet? Oh no, the camera is even higher. This is the box that registers whether you're in water and should be swimming. Let's move that. One thing that became key the last week is just step-by-step attacking the problem. Just one little thing at a time, and importantly, keep track of what it is that you're doing so that you can backtrack more easily and that you know what is working, what isn't working. So the water is removed. Let's try this one more time. It's not working. Okay, this one. Okay. Not working. That was working great yesterday. Why are the crosshairs visible? Maybe not for you on that screen. I can see them. It's my new blueprint. Hidden in game? No. Okay, now it is. All of them have now been updated. This box is not doing its job. This box also not doing its job. I was hoping for a different start this Tuesday. Okay, this one is working. Okay. This one's working. Let's try that again. Not working. Is that on land? A little inconsistency I had yesterday as well. See? Like you just have to do things in a very particular way, it seems. I don't know why it's so finicky, but okay, so that works. So yeah, that's where I am at. Let's see if we can continue to tweak the sequence for diving for the player. He needs to jump up, move over, land in the water, then continue swimming. And I've not been able to do that before smoothly, so I hope I can make some progress today. Catch you in the next one.